Ariva has become one of the most moving and beneficial computerized resources of this fall. The improvement group calls it a token for travelers. In this video, we consider different market sentiments on ARV exchanging points of view and investigate different Ariva long-haul cost conjectures. How does Ariva function? Ariva is a BEC20 token produced utilizing Binance Chain Organization. The digital currency is centered around heading out, to be more exact, on neighborhood and global the travel industry. Ariva is a venture that carries digital currency nearer to this present reality. Zeroing in on the travel industry, Ariva offers voyagers a remarkable encounter of going all over the planet by furnishing a simple method for paying with digital money. The objective of the Ariva group is to make a worldwide travel network that would permit sightseers both to spend digital currency, for instance, on booking convenience, and to get rewards. The last option is intended for the individuals who choose to share their movement encounters with others. The Ariva blockchain biological system comprises of 3 parts, every one of them are being developed at the hour of composing. Ariva.world. It is a gateway where crypto wanderers can track down a reasonable proposition and pay for it. All that will be accessible on the notice board, room reservations, vehicle rental administrations, guides for recruiting, and keepsakes for requesting. Ariva.finance. Friendliness organizations can coordinate Ariva.finance into their sites or applications, offering guests exchanges with negligible expenses. With the assistance of the help, clients will actually want to make installments as simple as ABC, check the QR code, and the assets will be credited to the merchant in a flash. Ariva.club. It is an informal organization where migrants can share their movement encounters and leave surveys about foundations. By sharing their impressions and content, notes, photographs, or recordings, travelers will actually want to guarantee rewards. While talking about future exchanging chances of advanced monetary standards, you ought to always remember to consider the assessments of crypto market specialists and focus on market feelings. Presently, we should investigate what dealers and crypto lovers anticipate from Ariva, ARV, later on. The information is given by the Crypto Insightful Source Trading View. Ariva Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Ariva costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Ariva will be $0.000180012. The most extreme level that the ARV cost can reach is $0.000203883. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.0001865. September 2022, Ariva Value Gauge. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their figure for the ARV cost in September 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.000166607, while the greatest could reach $0.000178882 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Ariva may be around $0.000174003. ARV Value Gauge for October 2022. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value changes of Ariva in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ARV rate they foresee may be around $0.0001796 in October 2022. It can drop to $0.000171229 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.000187552. November 2022, Ariva Value Figure. Around mid-year 2022, the ARV cost will be exchanged at $0.000182884 overall. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ariva worth to $0.000194669. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.000176447 in November 2022. ARV Value Estimate for December 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Ariva costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to December 2022, $0.00018650. The least and pinnacle ARV rates may be $0.00018012 and $0.00020383. Ariva Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Ariva in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Ariva will be around $0.00026698. The greatest expected ARV cost might be around $0.00031602. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.00027630 in 2023. Ariva Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Ariva, in 2024, ARV is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $0.00037994 and $0.00045701, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.00039375. Ariva Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Ariva and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base ARV cost could drop to $0.00055795, while its most extreme can reach $0.00065772. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $0.00057764. Ariva Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Ariva by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ARV costs are normal in 2026, $0.00098025 and $0.00080807. By and large, it will be exchanged at $0.00083118. Ariva Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the vacillations of Ariva. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical ARV cost will be around $0.001. It could drop to at least $0.001, yet it actually could reach $0.001.